1998, lawyers involved in a big tobacco trial hired to weed out jurors with hidden biases against smokers. Salem says it's practically impossible to lie.
You're going to fall in. It's amazing how he puffs up like that, huh? Peepers is taking his heat bath.
Taking his heat bath.
Yeah, Peepers is taking his heat bath.
Sometimes go like this, sometimes go like this. Are you saying that all thoughts have physical? I would say virtually every thought we have has some physical manifestation.
Peepers loves his heat. Peepers loves his heat.
And that is the key to understanding his mental techniques. Salem believes that if we all used our observational skills better, we could do what he does. That we could actually read other people's thoughts.
Why should Scottrade be your online investing firm? Excellent customer service, $7 online trade, over 300 branch offices. Maybe you should ask investors. Scottrade ranks highest in investor satisfaction with online investing services by J.D. Power and Associates. Did you keep count of how many people you killed? No.
So in the end, I never realized it was that many.
Too many.
Well, too many.
Do you have a number?
I confessed to 28 before.
Sure you remember them all?
Peepers. Puff up.
More than 7 months served for each of the 20 people he killed. Many of them fellow gangsters, and many of them close friends after looking into their eyes. Did you always cook your fried chicken?
That one guy.
Did you like them?
Well, easiest way.
Did you get the satisfaction out of the fact that people were afraid of you?
No. But everybody likes to be respected for one thing or another.
Peepers likes his heat.
Do you remember the first one?
Yeah.
First time.
Don't even think about it, Peepers. I'll take you off there.
Was going to implicate his brother Jimmy in a murder. Aladino was found under an expressway with a bullet in his hip. Units